Vintage charmer, modern amenities. Complete renovation 2020 new kitchen, full bath, hardwood floors, enclosed sunroom with lake views. Living room west/stone wood burning fireplace. 2 spacious bedrooms. Take a short ferry ride over to this cottage with open yard, spacious patio overlooking lake views. Kitchen west/vaulted, white cabinetry, dining area, accent shiplap and stylish lighting. Living room west/fireplace makes for cozy gathering and is centrally located just down from kitchen and outside of both bedrooms. High-end luxury spa bath. Living room leads into sunroom that steps out onto the patio. Rear yard covered porch with lawn space for gardens. Dock space is located next to ferry station and comes with a wooden sailboat. Jump in and swim, fish, bike or hike. This island retreat is just 1 hour to NYC. Come explore.